No words can describe the hard circumstances and situations the Gazans live. They hardly afford the essentials of life. And because we believe that our support is a moral duty, today we Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan team are providing clean drinking water for the needy and displaced people in the north of Gaza Strip, especially in Tal El Hawa and Al Bahrain shelter. May this reduce and minimize the suffering they face. Thanks for your support, which always makes a difference.